This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at the gold market. Well, gold right now is, and as usual during any turmoil in the world, becomes the major objects for investors. And when the market stands on its own, it starts to show logical action that we could rely on some patterns, on trends, and some on indicators and so on. But when somewhere in the world more or less significant conflict appears, the gold market just becomes crazy, and the fundamental data that are changing in the geopolitical situation significantly overrules the technical issues, and fundamental data, the geopolitical political issues, starts to dominate and depress the technical. So that we will see on gold market. So as you can see, just a couple days ago, market has formed a reversal pattern when geopolitical situation has become slightly more silent and has taken some relief. Market start to show the logical action. So market has formed these grabbers, has formed this bearish engulfing pattern, and we suggest that probably we could count on some retracement to the downside. But what we'll see right now, we see the ABCD pattern, some hint of the three drive, but market has not reversed down after the third drive on the 4-hour time frame chart. We will see it. And take a look, instead of the retracement from the target of the three drive, here was the 618 major fib resistance area. Market does not show any significant retracement. So it means that market probably will not show this retracement. Because when the market behaves different, compares to logical behavior, it means that probably there will not be any behavior that you expect to see. And although, at least formally and theoretically, these patterns have not been vanished yet, since price still holds inside of this engulfing pattern and hasn't taken out of these highs yet, these big questions concerning taking the scalp short position and concern possible retracement right back down. Well, these chances are not vanished yet totally, but the question of whether this will happen or not really significant. And currently, guys, I do not want to take any short position on the gold market with the hope that market will reach this area, especially on the after the price action that market has shown on the current week. It's not much to really discuss on the gold market right now, because we don't have any clear patterns to trade, and even those patterns that we count to use for possible trading now stands under question. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have, that was our three drive pattern, and the target was right here. But instead of that, market has turned up suddenly when the situation in the Crimea and the Ukraine has become more tough. And you can see this real appreciation on the referendum that has happened in the Crimea yesterday, and was the solution that Crimea would like to join the Russia and so on. And on the market has reacted on this news very significant with this upward action. And you can see here market in fact forms such sort of the upward channel. But right now price has not quite created the new highs yet, and theoretically there are chances, as I said, that market could show the retracement right back down. But currently, guys, if you still would like to take the short position, I think that you should wait for the reversal swing first. Reversal swing assumes the greater move down than the most recent swing up. So we would like, when you would like to take the short position, you want to get the breaking of the upward tendency first. So the breaking of this two-step forward, one step back consequence. Okay, So we'd like to get the 2-step down, 1 step back to take the short position. But currently we don't have it yet. Well, the appearing of this smaller swing to the upside currently could provide some chances that this will probably happen and market will finally start retracement down. But we do not have any signs to rely on this. And that's why I suppose that it's better to stay flat on the gold market right now. At least today. We will get today the non-farm payrolls release. Besides, guys, the yearly pivot point on the gold market, the target stands very close to us. It's approximately 1360 area, and there is no much upside potential for the gold market till the yearly pivot point and the weekly target. That's why this makes not very attractive to take in the long position right now on the gold market. At the same time, to take in the short is also can't be judged by the current price action, because market behaves really a bit curious and unexpected and not quite logical compared to the price action that it should show when it creates such patterns as we have on the daily time frame chart. That's just my opinion on the gold market, because right now the technical issues significantly depressed by the geopolitical situation and escalation of the situation on the Ukraine. Well, that's why, shortly speaking, it's a bit too early to take the short position, because we do not have any confirmation, do not have any signs that markets really starts move down. But it's a bit late to take the long position, because that our nearest upside target around 1360 stands very close, just $10 higher than market stands right now. That's why I suspect that it's a bit tricky situation. So maybe market will form some kind of the butterfly here to the upside. I do not know. So if we will measure the extensions here, we will get that 127, 168, stands approximately around our medium-term weekly target around 1360. That's really could happen. So as you can see, situation is a bit not very clear, and market doesn't provide us a good entry point for the taking the position in advantage of the upward action. So that's why maybe you will find something to trade on the intraday charts, maybe some patterns for the scalp trading, but on the daily time frame chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, I do not see really much to do on the gold market right now.